just visiting my auntie, and these carpets were cleaned, I think, in December or January by a contractor. Anyway, I'm going to buzz over this carpet and I'm going to see if I can improve how it looks with just using a low moisture machine. Right, so that's taken 15 minutes to clean that carpet. 15 minutes, and in that 15 minutes I've managed to not only just remove all the dirt that you could clearly see, it's brought the pile up. You can clearly see the colour, the pattern and everything. Okay, and just to give you some comparison, I've done one pass just right down the centre there, just up to about there, so you can kind of see where there is a difference. Now the contractor, I know who the contractor is, I'm not going to mention them. They have a national contract with Vivid, I believe. But I can tell you now that when I visited my aunt and I saw the carpets, literally a day after they'd cleaned them, they'd all gone brown, where all the dirt had wicked to the surface, where they basically got the carpets too wet. And they looked dreadful, and they dried. They just went back to how they were before they cleaned them. So that's probably a better shot there, so you can actually see a clean area there, and obviously a dirty area either side. Anyway, the sad thing is that contracts are given on price, pretty much, mostly on price. And the sad thing is, instead of using the right method to clean these carpets, they're just probably going with the cheapest quote or tender or whatever. Anyway, there you go. Just thought I'd take a little bit of video to show how you don't need to soak a carpet to get it clean.